Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going over the trade I took. Today is November 24th and it's a Monday. Today we had no news and today was weird because I couldn't stay all of New York session. So I was going to try to look at pre-market, and if anything caught my eye, I was going to take the trade. And I took two trades, cut around $650 on my top step XFAs. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Already going over the trade. Let me go back to before what I was looking for. Alright, clear out everything. Alrighty, so I hopped on the charts around 8:30. I noticed on the bigger time frame we had these relative equal highs above us, so I was like, going into the day, I want to see us probably come into taking these highs. And we also had this higher time frame for value gap. This is, I think, on the 15-minute. I just shortened it down, but it went from the 4-hour, 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute. So I wanted to see this get tapped into. Let me just close all of this. We are very bullish going into the day. We have a market maker buy model being presented. We have this, and I'm wanting to see us go higher, possibly to this high, because we've just been selling off. I want to see us maybe come back to OTE of this price range. I want to see us come back to potentially OTE, and that's where the for value gap lines up. So it lined up with my bullish bias of going into the day. Anyways, looking into the day, going into the 15-minute, I was kind of zoomed in. I was like, okay, so we did inverse this 15-minute for value gap right here. We had an inversion. Right, can I go on it? Right here. We inversed it, and I was like, okay, I want to see us potentially come back to this mini 15-minute for value gap right here. So I'm looking into the 1 minute. This was pre-market. This was 8:30. I'm very zoomed in internally. I'm on the 15-second. I'm like, okay, so we just took out this buy side. Now we created manipulation. I want to see price run down to this low, potentially soup, and then we could see a run higher to these highs, and potentially this high time frame for value gap. So I look. I'm like, okay, going on to the 1 minute. I see this candle wick. I'm like, okay, that's the sign that we potentially want to go down, tap into this before you get a move higher into market open. So this would be the change in the state right here. It doesn't have to be a series of down close candles. It's the last candle going in the opposite direction. So we have our change in the state, price, then it shoots down, creating this 1 minute for value gap. I'm very patient here because I want to see this candle come back, tap into it, and then we roll down to that 15-minute BISI. I'm watching, still watching. We haven't tapped into it. I'm still watching. I'm like, this may run on without me. Still watching. This is, I think, I look internally. I see this. I'm like, okay, we just swept out. I think this is going to be the internal soup model right here. I think this may be the best position I can get. Right here, this would be internal soup. I enter right around here. That's where I enter, right around there. Stop at this. I know it was at contra encroachment of this candle, because this basically plays as a for value gap. So it's at contra encroachment of this wick, and my take profit is down at this 15-minute for value gap, also at this sell side liquidity area. All right, so we then shoot down, we take it. Immediately after seeing this, I'm like, okay, this is going to be a model back to the upside, and now potentially wanting to take out this. So after that trade, I'm kind of patient. We're chopping around, we go lower. And then like, okay, we are now seeing very bullish activities. We had very bullish order flows. I was like, pre-market may just take out these highs before we even go into market open. And that may be the objective taken. So I'm looking at it. I'm kind of just watching. What time is it here? We have about 11 minutes till market open. This is what I see here. So I'm like, we took out this high. I don't want to see price go lower into these low resistance liquidity areas because we're on a very bullish run, and we created these relative equal highs above us. See, we didn't take out this. We waited to take out this another day, and I knew today was the day we were going to take it, or some day of the week. We also have this above us. I'll go into the 1 hour to give you a better recognition of it. We have this 1 hour for value gap higher above us. This is where I took my trade. I realized we tapped into OTE of this range, with also aligned with the 15-minute for value gap that I wanted to see us tap back into. What time is it here? 4 minutes till market open. 2 minutes till market open. We tap into OTE of the range. Immediately this candle. Once I see this candle close, I enter. I enter longs because we also have. I put my take profit at this high, put my stop at this low. We also have a 1 minute change in the state here. Oh wait, I could be wrong. Actually, that's not a change in the state. I'm delusional. Price tapped into this 1 minute unmitigated for value gap. So I wanted to see maybe this could get tapped into. We could run lower. So I was very particular on my stop, but put at this low. Price then instantly ran up, and throughout the day we just tapped into that for value gap, chopped around into it. But I mean, the drawn liquidity was there. We tapped into OTE. That was a pretty good entry, I think. I mean, the only thing is maybe looking on the 15-second. I wish we took out this low for a soup entry so I could have had it cleaner and more confidence, but obviously we didn't. Still a really good trade. Really good bias going into the day. That kind of set me up. This is very loose. If we would have just ran down, I would have adapted to what it was giving me. There was a trade after tapping into this for value gap down here, for the low-hanging fruit right here, going for just this. I did mark it out. Did not enter this trade. We had the 1 minute. I wanted to see maybe internal price range, like another leg come down. Like this is what I wanted to see. Price comes up, tap into that, then run higher. Create manipulation then to go higher, but we just more created a V-shaped recovery. And yeah. Alrighty guys, if you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. I make these every day, these trading recaps, or every trading day. But yeah, today was pretty good. Price action I thought moved well, especially pre-market. But yeah.